One of Hope's volunteers is putting the pedal to the metal on a wildlife rescue mission.
We have two families of geese. One of them was in the pond, half on its back, half on its side.
The flock is up on shore. Canada geese are aggressive and territorial. This body language and hissing means back off.
There you go. There he is.
They don't call it a wild goose chase because it's easy.
You can do it. Yes.
There's no line, there doesn't feel like a break.
They need to see more behavior before they decide whether to bring it in.
Oh my gosh.
It's obvious something's seriously wrong.
Yeah, we're gonna take him.
I don't mind getting in.
Woo!